The following is an ESOP message from your friends at Braun Intertec. Guess what? The stock price?
I've always said that if you can't have fun with what you're doing and take pride in what you're doing, it's not worth doing.
Hello, Jack Braun, my old friend. I've called to work with you again. Because the soil softly creeping left its slope while I was sleeping. And your number that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of science.
This is a house that Jack built, y'all. Remember this house? This was a land that it drilled by hand. This was a dream of a city.
Since 1957, no other drilling, materials testing, environmental or engineering consulting company has produced more music than Braun Intertec. In honor of the 60th anniversary of Braun Intertec, we're releasing the Sounds of Braun Intertec Volume 2.
I wanna stop! I wanna stop! I wanna stop! Employee owned, you say? I don't really get it. What's my sack? I really wanna know. No. You gotta vest 6 years, and all that suck you got, I'm gonna get is full of years. Let's make it grow. Grow. So each year lots of profit going in ESOP trust. And post valuation come to me as stock for free. I wanna stock.
Who doesn't love classic songs like those? But Volume 2 introduced us to a whole new group of artists.
Oh my gosh, Joel, look at that check. It is so big. It looks like one of those ESOP checks from Braun Intertec. Who understands ESOPs? They only get those because they're employee owners. Okay, I mean, the check is just so big. Oofta, I can't even believe it. The zeros are just so round. It's like out there, you know? I mean, whoa, look. It's just so big.
I like big checks and I cannot lie. You other owners can't deny that when a check has multiple zeros and a round number in your face, you get stoked. Want to pull up your account because you notice that check was stuffed. Deep in the account it's going. I'm hooked and I can't stop smiling. Oh, Braun, I want to stay with you and receive your benefits. My homies tried to warn me that check you got makes me so happy. Ooh, ESOP retirement. You say you want to get in my account? Well, please do, because you ain't that average stock price. I've seen the past year. I've seen it growing. It's sweet. It's neat. It's going to help me on my feet. I'm tired of other employers saying ESOPs aren't a thing. Take an average Brawny and ask them that. It's going to give much back. So employees, owners, has your employer got the check? Heck yeah. Shake it. Shake that healthy check. Braun gives back.
Just waking up in the morning, gotta be healthy. All I know is my ESOP's getting wealthy. No hurting from a strain, no sprains, and stretches mean a day with no pains. I got my vest on, and my gloves too, neoprene, maxiflex, and the nitriles blue. Hooked it up for later as I hit the door, knowing I'll be safe. Another 24. I gotta go, cause I got me another stop, and if I'm real safe, I can make the stats drop. Got to hop on the green light, looking at my job, not a hazard in sight. And everything is alright. Puncture resistant boots, and they're laced up real tight. Called up the homies and I'm asking y'all, any tips to prevent a slip and fall? Get me on the job, I won't stumble. Last week heard another firm got in trouble. Keeping careful every day like KJ. I gotta say, today was a safe day.
From 80s hard rock to 90s hip-hop, Braun Intertec covers it all. And it sure is fun to hear new voices on the albums. Braun, 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 Braun. I'm gonna help you right now. We'll knock you off your feet. Just tell us what you need. Put you in our house. Braun, 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 Braun. Braun, 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 Braun. If you like Volume 1, Volume 2 and its 60 tracks to celebrate 60 years of Braun Intertec will help you get through your workday with addicting tracks like these.
You ain't nothing but a ground dog, through it all the time. You ain't nothing but a ground dog, through it all the time. You ain't never seen an office, you're out of town all the time. Well, drill it down, baby, now. Drill it down, baby. Twist and growl. Twist and growl. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Sample now. Sample it, baby. Come on and grind it all out. Grind it on out. You know you look so good. You look so good. Well, come on, baby. Whole lot of shaking going on. I said, now come around, baby. Baby, you can't go wrong. Proctor, Proctor, give me the news. I got the bad clay compaction blues. Need Braun to cure my ill. I got a bad case compaction blues.
There's absolutely no better way to connect with your fellow owners than to sing or dance along with everyone.
We work safe if we want to. We leave bad habits behind. Cause your friends ain't safe, and if they ain't safe, well, they ain't no friends of mine. Say, we can text when we want to, but never when we drive. And we talk about our near-miss accidents so we can leave real ones behind. And we can dance, the Braun safety dance. We can dance, the Braun safety dance. Oh, we can stretch when we want to. Day is safe and so am I. We can dress real safe from our hats to our feet and kiss injuries goodbye.
So the rumor on the street is there's a lot of horsing around in the Fargo lab, but I think they're a bunch of workhorses. Let's get to work.
Can't you see us pushing soil hard like you wish you could? Now push it. Push it good. Push it real good. Push it. And number 4. Get off my seal. When I drive on sight, all eyes on me. I'm with Braun Intertec crew. Our trucks are green. We like ICCs. We love IBC. We special inspect. Everybody agrees. Test, 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 test. Everybody. Test, 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 test. Everybody.
Don't feel bad if you need to catch your breath and get ready for more Braun Intertec, the science you sing along. Hello, Jack Braun, my old friend. I've called to work with you again. Because the soil softly creeping left its slope while I was sleeping. And your number that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of science.
sitting on my stock every day, watching retirement come my way. Ooh, just sitting on my stock every day, buying time. I left my home in Mora, headed for the Tonka Bay, 'cause I now have someone to work for, and look like free stock gon' come my way. Yeah, sitting on my stock every day, watching retirement come my way. Ooh, sitting on my stock every day, buying time.
Through 60 years as a company and 10 years as a full ESOP, Braun Intertec understands how we got to where we are today. But we're always willing to take on the next big thing.
How many roads must a man walk down before you can lay out a plan? Daily fees and our plane will sail, and we will map out the land. How many times do we send someone up before they're forever unmanned? The answer, my friend, is a drone in the wind. The answer is a drone in the wind.
Give it a whirl, make August swirl, show them it twirl, with a bang bang. Give it a whirl, make August swirl, show them it twirl, with a bang bang.
Come on, turn the drill rig on. It's morning light, and it might take long. Gotta get set up, put my safety gear on. It's morning light, and it might take long till I hit the bedrock, hit the bedrock. We just got real deep. No, I ain't got sand, but I got clay real deep.
Just clay.
Baby, I could use CBT to design this right.
Deep drill.
Baby, I could use CBT to design this right.
Deep drills.
But I want my sand
With more than diamonds, more than gold.
as long as I can touch the soul.
The lab under control.
But I want my sand
With more than diamonds, more than gold.
as long as I can feel the
The
soul.
lab under control.
What sets us apart from our competition is, first and foremost, the
Music.
we have. It's the collection of the
Sounds.
and it's a collection of
Sounds.
who respond well to the culture that we have at Braun Intertec.
Thank you for your attention and participation. You know, there's no actual album available, but please donate to support a program in science, technology, engineering, and math. The Braun Intertec Foundation will match all proceeds with some limitations. Guess what? The stock price?